Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we're embarking on a remarkable journey of mastering marriage and money, continuing our beautiful series. We'll be exploring tips that can help you weather financial storms as a team. These strategies are not just about surviving tough times, but thriving and growing as well. So tighten your seatbelts, buckle up as we dive into part 6 of our series. And this is entitled Weathering Financial Storms as a Team. Tip number 1 for weathering financial storms as a team is developing a resilient mindset. We talked about this earlier in our series, but we got to get right back into it. A resilient mindset is crucial in facing financial challenges. It's the ability to bounce back when things don't go as planned, or when some may say it went sideways. And let's face it, in the world of finance, things rarely go exactly as they are planned. So building and cultivating this resilience starts with viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Hear me out. When you hit a financial roadblock, don't see it as a dead end, okay? Instead, see it as a detour to potentially better routes. But resilience isn't just about staying strong individually. It's also about supporting each other emotionally during the tough times. Be there for each other. Listen, encourage, and most importantly, remind each other of your shared goals and dreams. Remember, challenges are not setbacks. They're setups for comebacks. Did you hear what I just said? I'm going to say it back. Rewind. Remember, challenges are not setbacks. They're setups for comebacks. Now, if you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, make sure you do that. So I just want to share a quick story. One night, we was getting all the kids together, and then they was like, "Mommy, Daddy, the water is cold." And we was like, "What you mean the water cold?" And it's like winter time. And we like, "What you mean?" So, at one point during the day, we saw the lights flicker. We didn't think nothing of it. Come to find out, long story short, the water tank did not work anymore. And, you like, okay, this is fantastic. No hot water. So that's just one thing. And you have children that's like cold water. It don't go together. So I decided, that instead of having this like, "Oh, what is this?" type of response, I chose to have a different response. I was like, you know what? We're going to get it fixed. It's going to be okay. No problem. Let's just keep it moving. Do what we got to do. Boil some water and we'll take care of it and put things in place to take care of it, right? And we was able to get the water tank fixed the next day and make it through the situation. And I'm just saying, it feels so much better to have that different outlook on the situation than having this, "Oh, what was me?" And it made it easier to even deal with it as you talk to repair people and just deal with things. But just talking about focusing on that mindset, that moment where it's like, choose not to get stressed out or not to, be down about it. Choose to say, you know what? I got this. We're going to handle it. It's all good. And have gratitude. So that's just a little testimony of trying to choose a better mindset when you're dealing with something can truly change how you move through it. Okay, so moving on to tip number 2. Let's talk about creating a financial safety net. An emergency fund. We talk about emergency funds. We love those things. It's very, very critical. It's critical part of this net. It's the money you set aside for those unexpected challenges like car repairs, medical bills, household breakdowns, like I just talked about. But how much should you save? Okay, aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So this is where that budget come in, so that okay, this is how much our expenses are for the month times 6, and then that's what we should build to for our emergency fund. There are other ways to build financial resilience too. Insurance, for instance, can protect you from large unexpected expenses. Health insurance, car insurance, home insurance. These are all parts of your financial safety net. And let's not forget about diversify income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I know we've all heard that before. Consider part-time jobs, investments, or side gigs. This can provide extra cushioning if your income source takes a hit. So the key is proactive planning. Don't wait for the storm to hit before you start building your shelter. Having a financial safety net isn't just smart, it's essential. It's your personal financial bodyguard. Okay? And our third and final tip is all about learning from challenges. So just imagine a couple. Let's call them Jack and Jill. We heard Jack and Jill went up the okay. They faced a significant financial blow when Jack lost his job unexpectedly. Okay, it was a tough time, but they didn't crumble. Instead, they took this as an opportunity to reassess their spending habits, find creative ways to save, and even started a small online business. Go Jack and Jill. By facing this challenge head on, they not only overcame it, but also emerged more financially savvy and closer as a couple. Or consider another couple. We'll name them Mary and John. They were hit by an unexpected medical bill. It was a struggle, but they learned to prioritize their spending, negotiate with creditors, and build a more robust emergency fund. The experience taught them valuable lessons about financial resilience and brought them closer together. So remember, what doesn't break you makes you and your relationship stronger. And these challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones towards a financially secure and harmonious life together. Doesn't that just sound beautiful, right? So there you have it, 3 powerful tips to weather financial storms as a team. We talked about cultivating resilient mindset, building a financial safety net, and learning from those challenges. Your journey together through financial ups and downs is a testament to your strength as a team. So thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.